Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fatin Nadhrah binti KAMARULZAIDI with number matrix 288445. This assignment is about my reflections on my experience in doing financial analysis assignment in assignment 2. Briefly talk, in financial analysis assignment, we need to provide a data or income statement financial from the three different groups which are salary individual, entrepreneur and street hawker. Okay, my reflections on my experience during the assignment is first, I actually feel very grateful and thankful to my group mates, which are Misha, Maizatu Hakma, Maizatu Inshira and Izati, because all of them have give their all the best and they also have helped me a lot in during this assignment. So there's a lot of things that I have learned from them. Actually, my expectation before the interview session is I kind of scared a little bit that we might not doing very well in the interview sessions with the entrepreneur because of some issue that we had early that we need to change our selected entrepreneur to another one. So I kind of lost a little bit because I do not have any information about the new selected entrepreneur. So does my expectations change? I think yes, my expectation changed a little bit, not change a lot, because actually we did great than my expectation, than the expectations, and the interview session is actually going very smooth, and both of us and the entrepreneur itself have give a very great teamwork when doing the interview sessions, and the entrepreneur is also very kind and willing to share a lot of information when answering all the interview questions. Does the entrepreneur plan their financial? I think that they actually did plan their financials very well because they know how to separate the expenses and revenue, and they also did a lot of side income to support their business. Have they fulfilled the basis of Islamic accounting? I think that they still not fulfill the basis of accounting, of Islamic accounting, because they actually Rezeki Anaki company are still new in the industry, so they basically have did the basic accounting, not the basic of Islamic accounting. For example, that they are still not recognized their zakat income yet, or pay zakat their zakat income yet. It is because their, as I know, the Rezeki Anaki company is just their business is just registered last year, so that's why they still not be able to pay the zakat. The challenges that I face during the assignment, that I think is because of the misunderstanding between my group mates and I self when we doing the calculation about the financial income statement and the balance sheets, because there are some part of that confusing a lot of us at how this supposed to be and how it's supposed to be. The thing that I enjoy the most during the assignments is the calculation also itself, because of, as someone who is love in calculations, I really enjoy when we're doing the calculations and we did not have any mistake or imbalanced amount. So that's why I feel enjoy the most. Okay, for any lesson that I have learned during the assignment is actually on how to manage our finances very well. It's because it doesn't mean that if you have a big income, you will have a lot of saving, because during the assignments, based on the salary individual groups, she have a lot of incomes, but she kind of get lost also because of the big expenses that she did, which is she need to pay their debt, her debt a lot. So that's why it gives me some overview on how to control our financial very well. For the solutions or any idea that I could give to the targeted groups is, I think that those 3 targeted groups should decide some ratio in their financial planning. For example, they could set a ratio which is like 20% for savings, 20% for investment, 30% for commitments, and 30% for personal expenses. So based on this could help them in the future when they have emergency. So this is very helpful for them. In a conclusion, all of my experience during the assignments is, I think that it helped me a lot to become a better person, especially as a Muslim and also as a student, and that we need to plan very well our financials based on Islamic principle. And I hope that all of what I have learned during the assignments is that I can apply these practices or lesson in when I have involved in the industry one day. So that's all from me. Thank you.